Today in this video, I'll show you how to create a CSS image overlay in just 2 minutes. I'm writing a HTML structure first. The title overlay. I need two tags. Container the content. Inside the content, I am writing some text. My text is showing correctly. Now I will step for the container and show the overlay. First of all, I have to link my CSS file. I'm writing some common CSS first to remove browser default styling. Width will 100%. The height it will 100 dph. I'm using a shortcut to center the sibling. Watch this video how to create a custom code snippet in VS Code. I'm now styling for an image overlay. Background image, linear gradient, RGBA 000 0.582. RGBA 0.5. This is my image URL. Background position, center. Background size, cover. Background repeat, no repeat. The content style, width 500 pixel, height also 500 pixel. I use the shortcut again. Color white. Text align center. The font of H2 tag, font size 50 pixel. And the paragraph it will 20 pixel.